Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are actually looking at one of my all-time favourite brands, and that is Pixi Beauty. I use so much of their skincare and makeup, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I use something from Pixi in pretty much every single video. But they actually sent me their complete range of their vitamin C skin treats, and it came in this little jar, and I think this is so cute. They made it look exactly like a little prescription tablet box with all the ingredients and directions on how to use, and it also says prepared for Laura on this, and I think that is so cute. Pixi always adds such cute little touches. So these are all the items that are in it. I've been using these since they arrived, as I love trying out Pixi's new skincare ranges, and I've seen such a difference in my skin. Like, it's not really picking up on camera because obviously I've got makeup on and everything now, but it's definitely added brightness, which is one of the main things it should add with vitamin C. Vitamin C should actually be included in everyone's skincare routine, as you can get different percentages. These are all quite low. You can get high depending on your skin type and your age as well. It's something that's really easy just to add into your routine, and it gives you such nice glowing skin, and it also has antioxidant properties, and it can act as an exfoliator as well. There are a load of other properties that come with using vitamin C in your skincare. But anyway, getting on to these products from Pixi. So the first thing that I tried, and because I love all of Pixi's tonics, especially Glow Tonic, which I use pretty much every day, but obviously I've been substituting it for this one, which is a vitamin C tonic, and it's vitamin C and furic acid brightening toner, pretty much every day since I got it. And as I said, it's been really warm in the UK at the minute, and this has helped to make my skin feel really refreshed, as it sort of feels a bit cooling. Obviously with all Pixi skin treats you can put them into the fridge as well, especially the tonics, and it does make such a big difference. It has potent antioxidant power, promotes healthy collagen production, and is known to boost skin's luminosity. Probiotics help fortify skin's barrier, while willow bark and fruit extracts gently exfoliate. And this is good for all skin types, it doesn't matter what yours is. But yeah, my skin has just felt really refreshed after using it, so I've definitely been loving that. There's also a vitamin C juice cleanser, which has orange flower water in it, and this does bring off makeup quite easily, but as long as you've not got too much on, obviously. This feels very gentle on your skin, and it's really easy to use, as it actually has this like little pump on the top. You just press that down with a cotton pad, can't remember what they were called then, and it just soaks it, so then you can just use it like that. So it means you're not going to waste a load of product, as you just use sort of one pump. But yeah, I found this really good, especially if I've only got sort of like light makeup on, maybe just eyebrows or something like that. It's really easy to get makeup on with. There's also a vitamin C lotion, which is a moisturizer, and it's also a brightening moisturizer at that, which is basic with all the vitamin C range. Now, I really struggle finding moisturizers that, one, work with my skin, and two, don't leave it feeling really oily or it doesn't break out after using. This I found really good. It feels quite gentle on your skin. It is for all skin types, and you can use it daily if needed or not. It doesn't really make too much of a difference, not like a moisturizer that you have to use every day to see an effect. You see an effect pretty much straight away, or maybe after 2 or 3 uses. It does add a brightness to your skin, and it also sits very nicely under makeup. It doesn't make it break up or anything like that. And also, while this is 50ml, it's not massive, but you only need a tiny bit for you to cover your face and neck, which is really good, so it will last for quite a while as well. Also included in the vitamin C range is a vitamin C caviar balm. Now this you actually use as a mask, and it's a leave-on one, which is something I've never tried before, but it is such a good idea. It actually includes encapsulated vitamins, so with leaving it on your face, it allows these to fully absorb into your skin and give it that brightness and luminosity that you really want. I've used this just a couple of times. Obviously it's not one that you use every day. I've been using it maybe once a week. I think that would be more than enough. And it has left my skin feeling extremely soft, and it also looks very healthy in the morning because I've been using it at night. So yeah, I've been really enjoying using that, and it's not something I would normally pick up and use. So I'm very glad that they sent this, and I've had the chance to try it. And lastly, and I think this is probably the most important one, and that is very, very easy for everyone to use. It's really easy to add into your skincare routine, and that is the Vitamin C Serum, which is this little bottle. It does come with a little pipette as well, so you simply just put it into the bottle, gather up a bit, and then drop it onto your face. I would say you wouldn't really need more than maybe 2 drops of this, as it is, obviously it's an oil, and it spreads quite easily on your skin, so you don't need a lot, and obviously you don't want a really greasy face. I normally don't really like using serums on my skin, as I have oily skin, so it just seems to make it worse and it breaks out. This one, it somehow seems to just work with my skin, and it seems to help reduce redness, makes it look brighter, and it even seems to like reduce dark circles and things like that. Even though that isn't what it says it's supposed to do, that is how it works on my skin. It's also supposed to help reduce the effects of sun damage and free radicals, and helps to improve skin tone and create a smoother complexion. So yeah, there you go, it is to do with skin tone. But this is just amazing. Even though it's only quite a small bottle, it's 30ml. As I said, I only think you need about 2 drops of this to completely cover your face and neck and everything. So it's definitely going to last a while. As for all of these products, as they are vitamin C, they do have sort of like a more citrus fruity smell, especially the cleanser, which also has orange blossom water included, so you definitely get that scent. I think that goes along well with it feeling refreshing on your skin because it smells refreshing. I think the two sort of go together, and that is really, really nice, so it makes them really enjoyable to use. Out of all of it, because I know Pixi can be a little more expensive, I would recommend the serum, which I think is just an essential, and it is for all skin types as well, and it just works. And I would also recommend the tonic, as Pixi tonics are known for being really, really good, and this is definitely no exception to that rule. So I hope you liked this little video telling you a little bit more about all this Pixi range. I'll also leave a link to their website below and links to each of these products, so if you want to buy one, it's really easy, it's just a link there for you to click. You'll also have to let me know if you like a video on me actually using these, maybe on TikTok, which is one of the platform that I use. If you don't follow me on that, I will also leave the link to my profile down below, as I'm always sharing extra videos and beauty tips and things on there. So I might do a video just testing these, showing you how they work on my skin on there. So you'll have to keep an eye on that and follow me on there, as I do use it quite a bit and I really enjoy it. But anyway, back to this. As I said at the start of the video, Pixi Beauty is one brand that I absolutely love and I use religiously every single day. So thank you very, very much to Pixi if you are watching this, for sending this to me. I really, really do appreciate it, and I absolutely love your products. I can't really say that any more times. I hope you liked this video, and please get a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you soon with another.